there, I'm Chef Ani, and today we are making artichoke spinach dip, and this is hands down one of my favorite appetizer recipes. I love this warm, creamy, delicious, packed full of flavor dip. It is perfect for any occasion around the holidays, birthdays, celebrations, family get-togethers, whatever the occasion may be, it is perfect for it. And I think you're going to love this recipe, so enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to get started by adding water to a blender along with soaked cashews and fresh lemon juice. Next we'll add in some onion and garlic powder, a little bit of salt, nutritional yeast flakes, and some crushed red pepper. Adding tapioca flour will give this dip an amazing consistency. We're also going to add in some artichoke hearts and blend that till smooth. Now that we have a nice smooth mixture, we're going to saute some onion and garlic. We're going to add even more flavor and texture to this dish by roughly chopping up some artichoke hearts and adding them into the mix. We'll do the same thing with spinach and just cook it for a little bit until it wilts. Now we add in our blended mixture and watch this dish come together. We're going to bring this to a simmer until we get the consistency of dip that we want. And the last step is to pour it into a baking dish and pop it in the oven to bake. Serve this dish warm with bread or your favorite crackers. And there you have it. Look at that warm artichoke spinach dip that is just going to blow your family and friends away. Talk about flavorful. It has a creamy component plus texture that is just going to keep you coming back again and again. You can find the detailed recipe on my website, chefani.com. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time with another video.